before Datenics, we were not able to get real-time data of my production. But after using Datenics, we have been able to get real-time production data, which we are able to use in our day-to-day meetings, which is helping us to enhance the production yields, and also the whole team is aware of what is going on at that very moment. Now, when we started with Datenics, it was a flat base where both of us, neither EMBICON nor us, were having everything what has to be done. But with help of Chirag bhai, Vijay bhai and my team, we were able to make a framework on which both of us work. Initially it was a tough ride, but now as we are maturing, thanks to Datenics and the EMBICON team, the ride was bumpy first, but now it's good. There's a good support from Chirag bhai for the implementation of this project. We are happy, and team is always helpful for whatever problems that is there. So I'm thankful to the EMBICON team.